Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another course of Skills Spiral. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Kamar Abbas and I am a student of law. I am a freelancer as well as I am a writer, and most importantly, your mentor for this course.
I am also part of a foundation, namely Mukhtar Foundation, and this project Skills Spiral is derived from Mukhtar Foundation. Our motive is to enhance your skills by boosting you by free courses we provide. Let's start with the introduction of creative writing. So what the creative writing exactly is? Leave the writing for a while and come to the creative. What is creative? Creative means that what you believe. It always depends on how you carry your creativity. Our mind is always a part of usual activities, such as we always think, we always see, and each and every sense of ours is busy in imaginations. And that imagination creates a story into our minds, and we are always busy in observing that creativity or observing that imagination which comes into our minds. Furthermore, the creative writing is said to be art. Creative writing is an art. Why it is an art? It is art because it is enough to make someone cry. It is enough to make someone laugh. It is enough to make someone happy or sad. In other words, creative writing is the art which deals with our emotions. It is always connected to the emotions in such way that it makes people think what you want them to think. Moving forward, as we communicate with our tongues to each other, exactly in this same way, the mind communicates to another mind. And the only way to communicate with the mind is to communicate them with emotions. As you see, the emotions are very important in creative writing. Creative writing enables you to communicate with people, with people's mind, and with people's emotions. The only way to do this is to contact them through emotions. And most importantly, creative writing will give you the opportunity to have your voice reach to your readers. When we come towards the definition of creative writing, there is no any exact definition of creative writing, but I have described that creative writing is considered to be any writing such as fiction, poetry, non-fiction that goes outside the bounds of normal profession. A normal writing and a creative writing is very different from each other. They are very different from each other. Why? Because there is the creativity which makes them differentiate. But any writing which is beyond the normal profession is known as creative writing, such as fiction, poetry, non-fiction. We will discuss furthermore in upcoming classes that what is fiction, what is non-fiction, or what is poetry. For today, just only understand that any work which fall in these categories is known as creative writing. Now we will discuss effect of creative writing on minds. In other words, the purpose of creative writing. So the creative writing do two things to a human mind. It entertain or it educate. In other words, creative writing is for the purpose of to entertain or it is for the purpose of to educate. Yes, it is very difficult to categorize that which type of writing falls into these categories. But let me give you an example that if we are reading a poetry, then our mind will start to enjoy, then our mind will start to entertain from that writing. And in other cases, when we start to study the academic books, our mind will not start to enjoy, our mind will not start to entertain, our mind will start to educate. And the last thing for today's class is that you cannot actually categorize them, but you can sometimes categorize poetry and fiction into entertainment and non-fiction to the education. So I am ending the class today. Our first lecture of this course is about to end. If you have any queries or if you have any questions, then you are always welcome to ask me. I am giving you my email and I am also giving you my WhatsApp number that you can contact me through email and you can contact me through this WhatsApp number. And if you have any queries, you can ask me there at any time.